hindi ako mahiya talagang kumanta ngayon. Wait lang. Kahit ano daw, basta ikaw sabi ni Pa. Sige po. Doon na lang tayo sa kung saan tayo nag-umpisa, yung I'm Falling For You. Nako. Sana wag kang copyright. O yun nga po, naglalaro po ng pakuloy si Sir Andy at Mami Jenny. Hello. Come on everyone. Let's sing along. Wait lang. Baka mali to. What is this I'm feeling? I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm not just the same. Ang taas kasi nito. I try to hide it. Try not. When you're near, I'm not just the same. I try to hide it. Try not to show it. It's crazy. How could it be? Flat. I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. When you... Di pa pala, sorry. When you... Di pa! Wait lang. When you said hello, I looked in your eyes. Suddenly, I felt good inside. Is this really happening? Or am I just dreaming? I guess it's true. I can't believe. Let's sing. I'm falling for you. Finally, kinakabahan ako. Giving, and I'm falling in love. Kinakabahan ako. I finally know how it feels. So, tumbling, sabi niyo, patumbling talaga ako dito. Di ko na alam paano to. Thank you po Mami Jenny and Sir Andy Cabral. This song is for you. Sir Andy Cabral, happy birthday ulit for advice. O di ko na kasi alam ang ano nito eh. You still linger in my mind, no matter what time of day. I'm really falling for you. I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. How it feels. Happy birthday po si Andy Cabral. Thank you po Mami Jenny. Maraming salamat po. Ang galing ko. Thank you po. Salamat. Okay na po ba? Okay na po ba? 3744 live viewers. Okay na po ba yun? Ang galing-galing naman. Mary Ann's Music Channel. Opo, salamat po. Legit po yan. Yung music channel pala. Salamat po Ma'am May Ann's Music Channel. Salamat po. Salamat. Thank you very much po. Siguro po gusto ko pong ano daw? May pakulay ulit si Mami Jenny. Maraming. Teka lang naman po. Mami Jenny, maraming salamat po. Ang dami niyong pakulay. M. Spirucho, maraming salamat po. Iba po magberdagulan ang mga... Wait lang po, asa na po ba kayo? Ito yung... Salamat po. Basta salamat po. Sir, sorry po akong paulit-ulit po ako. Pero yun po, maraming salamat po. Wala lang. Thank you po. Okay na po ba yun? Marry your daughter? Can wait sa brother. Okay, Carla. Yun. Basta Sir Andy Cabral, maraming salamat po. I-pin ko lang po to. Ay, asan ba to? Di ko. I-pin ko lang po. Basta yun po yung sabi ni Sir Andy Cabral po. Can't wait yata yun. Yun. Thank you po, Tita Gina Salas. Marry your daughter. Sige. Marry your daughter. Tapos na daw mag-receive ko. Hoy. Sir Andy Cabral, maraming salamat po. Ano pa po ba? Marry your daughter? Sige po. Lahat kakantahin ko po. Ano po ba? Lahat ng ano. Pero after po nito, mag-live na rin po tayo kasi may mga nakalive rin po na iba. Ilan po bang ano? Uy, wait lang. Si Mami Jenny 1. Wait lang po. Okay na yun. Wait lang po ha.